But credit goes to God. Without permission of God, we can't do anything. So do everything with happiness and don't take panic in life. Are you getting? So don't jealous to anyone. And if you think now, if someone is successful, so he has also problem. So problem is part and parcel of life. Believe or not, everybody is suffering from problems. We are not only, but also all the living thing has problem. Isn't it? So live life with happiness and believe in Almighty God and say Jai Siya Ram. You see a successful person and after seeing that person you think he is very rich, he is very handsome, he has everything in his life. But it is not so. Every successful person has also problem. Why don't you try to understand? So don't think in this world or in this universe anybody is fully happy. Even monk and many devotees of God, they have also problem. But they know what is the solution of problem. What is the difference between a common man and a monk? You know what is the difference between a common man and a monk? Common man cannot face the problem, but a monk or a priest or a devotee of God can face the problem with happiness because he has technique to tackle that problem. Everybody's happiness is with him, but we don't understand. If you think that I can make you happy, so it is your misconception. Nobody can make you happy apart from you. You are only who can make yourself happy. Isn't it? We see happiness outside the world and we are influenced by others. Aren't we? Whenever we go anywhere and I'm going somewhere and I bought a luxurious bungalow. So that bungalow influenced me. I'm going on a way and while going on the way I see a beautiful bungalow and after watching that bungalow I'm totally influenced by that bungalow. I just imagine that bungalow must be mine. I should also purchase that bungalow. Isn't it? So I'm watching happiness outside of the world. But when I suppose that bungalow owners meets me, whoever has that bungalow, and if I meet that bungalow owner, so he is also upset. Say guys, Jai Hind. Guys, this video is going to be very very wonderful for all of you. Why? Because in this video we will discuss about a wonderful topic. Then guys, what is that topic? Look at, be like uninfluenced by others. It means if you want to live a happy life or if you want to survive a happy life, then you should remember in your mind that we should not be influenced by others. On the earth or on the universe, there are 90% people who are influenced by others. That's the reason they are not be happy. This is one of the biggest reasons why people get upset and why people be happy for some time. What is the reason? Reason is influencer. There are many influencers on the earth. They influence to other and other people are influenced by them, and after some time they regret. I am telling you with an example. Suppose I come to you. Suppose I come to you and I tell you, you are very handsome and you are very smart. And what happens after some time? You feel very happy, don't you? Anybody comes to us and he or she appreciates us or admires us. So what happens with us? We be happy, but this happiness is only for some time. It is called influence. We are influenced by others. We don't have our remote control with us. A lot of people, so many people have given their remote control to others. That's the reason they sometimes be happy and they sometimes be sad. And mostly time they be sad because they have actually a lot of people have given their happiness in the hand of others. We think that guy has bungalow, that guy has car, but if really we ask them, are you really happy? They can answer that they are not happy because they are also influenced by others. I see he has bungalow and I am influenced by that guy, and I ask that guy, so that guy says me that I want more than big bungalow. That's why he is not happy. And if we talk about third person, then third person say, I also want more than my bungalow. So what is this? It is totally influence. People are living life by watching to other, but in reality other people are also not happy. If you think rich people and the people who are having luxurious life, they are happy. So for your kind information, they are also not happy because everybody is influenced by others. That's the problem. It is said that what we see, that is not real. It is said or not? I see there is a beautiful girl. I see there is a beautiful girl, and I should have like that girl in my life. I see. But when you ask that person who has a beautiful wife or who has a beautiful girlfriend, he is also not happy. Are you getting? Because every person is thinking by influencing. They are attracted. Mostly person are attracted by others. So we should not be influenced by others. We should be like stone. If you want to live a good life and happiness internally. Human is also in a part of material world. Not only things, but also humans are part of material world. If you adore or if you like material world, so there is no any possibility to be happy. It is impossible to live happy. So don't influence by other. Make your own thinking that what is real. Try to find out what is the reality. Look at. Because problem is nothing. It is our own thinking. We think, it is way of looking. Some people think it is not a problem, and other people think it is very big problem. So what is this? This is our thinking. So change your thinking. Tackle the problem with happiness. Because we are not operating the universe. If we think we are operating the universe? Is it possible? There is an operator who is known as God. So keep everything on God and do your good deeds, because it is said we have to do our deeds. Rest up to the God. So don't think that you will operate the world. We should never think what we think. We think we can do this thing, we can do that thing. Yes, we can do, but we can do, but credit goes to God. Without